So this tutorial is general for all the other tutorials on how to make a pop-up. So first we open ADP. Like you see, I've actually done all my bits and pieces, so I've fixed my pop-up how I want it to be. Just have a look at it there. So I've made it that it drops down from the top on here after 1 second of opening the browser window with on the website. I've made it so people can move it if they want to, just in case I want to put it out of the way for a little bit. So they can close it, there, of course. And generally just sort of like cleaned up a bit of the HTML code up here. So ready to upload. So basically first thing we need to do is save it, which we did, and it's saved into a directory which I'll show you in about 2 minutes or less, and then we compile it. So we press that button there. That brings up a window and gives you a little bit of stuff here. So the first thing we need to do is to copy this. So we copy this one to the clipboard. So that's copied. Then we can say OK, we get rid of that. And then we need to upload the files. So we get rid of this one, and I'm going to do this in FileZilla. It's probably the easiest one, and it's free as well. So I'm already on the server here, as you can see. So this is my server. So what I need to do here is find on my local hard drive on my desktop the files. The files are in there. So they're the files that need to go up. Not all of them, but I'll show you which ones in a minute. And on the server I need to find the index HTML, which is the main page of the website I'm going to show you in a minute. So I just want to edit this file. So I open the file to edit. It should open into a text editor, and there it is. And then just after the body, you can see there's the top of the file, head, and then the body tag. We just paste it into there. So that's what we've just copied off Advanced HTML pop-up, which is there. You can see if you compile it again. So we just copied this by copying it to clipboard, and we've pasted it into there. Very, very easy. So we save that, close that down. Now if we go to FileZilla, it should ask to upload it. Yep, we want to upload it again. So that's uploading it, and you can see there. Now if we go quickly back to Advanced HTML, do the compile button again, we can see these are the files that need to go over. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 files that need to be shifted over. So the two JS files, adlib and the popup.js, close and resize. Okay. The resize for this particular project we don't have to move over, because we didn't let the people. We've made it so that they can't be resized, and it's a little icon that sits in the corner, so we don't need that. But what we do need is the close. So we pull that over, and if I remember rightly, it's the pop-up one and that one there. So we move those over too. And of course we need the background, because this was made with a background. So the background obviously in the file here was pop-up back, and we move that over. So if we go to the website where we've published or moved the files over to, which is in here, you will see after, let's refresh that, after 1 second we should have a pop-up. There you go, a little bit longer. 1 second after the whole page is loaded, obviously. So, but it's, you know, it's still there, and it looks very, very cool as well, doesn't it? So very easy, very, very easy. Easy to make and easy to upload to your website. It literally takes, I think I spent 10 minutes on the first tutorial and probably about 5 minutes on this tutorial. Less than 15 minutes. Obviously, you know, if you're going to make some graphics, that's going to take some time. But you know, you can do it without graphics, without backgrounds. Same type of pop-ups. Making a pop-up has never been easier.